We begin with the Kyle Rittenhouse murder trial. The accused killer took the stand in his own defense, at one point breaking down as the judge paused the trial. Alex Perez is in Kenosha. Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning, Michael. It was a high-stakes move by the defense. Rittenhouse was interrogated for hours. It's the first time the jury hears from him.
Defense would call Kyle Rittenhouse.
An explosive day of testimony. Jurors Wednesday, for the first time, hearing directly from Kyle Rittenhouse about the night he shot and killed Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber and injured Gage Grosskreutz.
You intended to kill, correct?
I didn't intend to kill them. I intended to stop the people who were attacking me.
Then this moment on the witness stand, the now 18-year-old sobbing, unable to talk as he described encountering Rosenbaum, who he says was chasing him.
Mr. Rosenbaum was now running from my right side, and I was cornered from in front of me with Mr. Zeminski, and there were
the judge calling for a break. Rittenhouse also telling the jury that Rosenbaum threatened him before the shooting.
He screamed, "If I catch any of you alone, I'm going to kill you."
Through testimony, the defense painting a picture of a young man who had been cleaning graffiti and wanted to offer medical help to those injured during the protests that followed the police shooting of Jacob Blake. But in cross-examination, the prosecutor pressing Rittenhouse on his decision to go to Kenosha in the first place and why he showed up with an AR-15.
Why do you need the gun when you go out there?
I need the gun because if I had to protect myself because somebody attacked me.
And playing this video in court. Attempting to dismantle Rittenhouse's argument that he was in Kenosha that night to offer medical help.
You're not a certified EMT. You're not an EMT of any kind. You weren't on that night, correct?
Yes.
So you lied to him, correct?
I told him I was an EMT, but I wasn't.
At another point, the trial abruptly paused. The jurors walked out, the judge furious after the prosecutor seemed to allude to evidence the judge previously ruled was inadmissible.
You know very well that an attorney can't go into these types of areas when the judge has already ruled.
When court resumed, prosecutors playing videos of Rittenhouse at the protest and attacking his claim he shot Rosenbaum in self-defense.
Joseph Rosenbaum never touched you in any way during that incident, correct?
He touched my gun.
He didn't touch your body in any way, did he?
No.
And dissecting this video where Rittenhouse shot Grosskreutz, who was also armed but didn't fire.
He's got a pistol not aimed at you. You've got an AR-15 aimed at him. Why is he more of a threat to you than you are to him?
Because he was moving at me with a gun in his hand.
And the defense also filed for a motion for a mistrial with prejudice, which means there'd be no opportunity for a retrial. The judge says he's considering that motion. Closing arguments could begin as early as tomorrow. Robin?
All right, Alex, thank you so much. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.